In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a recording in Descript. Whether you're familiar with Descript or this is your first foray into using their software, this tutorial is designed to guide you step by step through the exporting process, ensuring that you can easily navigate the interface and successfully export your work. Let's get started by heading over to Descript. Open your web browser and type in the official Descript website URL or simply search for Descript in a search engine. Once you're at the homepage, make sure to log into your account. For those who already have an account, go ahead and click the Login button. If you're using one of the integrated options like Google, select your account to proceed. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying your recent projects. Click on the project you want to work with. If you haven't recorded anything yet and your project is empty, don't worry. There's a convenient recording button available which you can use to start a new recording right away. With a recording selected, it's time to start the export process. Look for the Export button, typically located in the top right corner of the interface. Clicking this will bring up several options for exporting. Here you'll see an option called Audio. Go ahead and click on it. At this stage, you need to choose the destination and the export option suitable for your needs. Descript offers a range of formats for audio export, so you'll want to pick one that aligns with how you intend to use the file. Popular formats such as MP3 or WAV are typically available, but check out the full list to see which fits best with your requirements. Now you might see advanced options listed here too. These provide additional settings you can tweak, such as bitrate adjustments or channel selection. If you're not sure which settings to choose, the default settings are generally a safe bet and work well for most situations. Once you've made your selections, click Export to finalize the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully exported your audio recording from Descript. Whether it's for a podcast, a presentation, or simply to share with friends, you now have your audio file ready to go. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial makes your experience with Descript smooth and productive. If you have more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or contact support for help. Until next time, happy editing.